Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. There is Nojab. Nojab is a British actor. He has appeared in the television series The Night Manager, the dark comedy films Barbican, the drama film Wonder, the horror film A Quiet Place, the sports film Furby Ferrari, the comedy Holmes and Watson, and the drama film Honey Boy, for which he was nominated for the Independent Spirit Award for Best Supporting Male. Nojab was born to filmmaker Chris Job and actress Kate Keving. He has a younger sister and a younger brother. Job started his acting career in 2015 by appearing in the television series Penny Dreadful and Downton Abbey. Later in 2016, he played a significant role in the spy thriller series The Night Manager. In 2016, he also played a significant role in the series Houdini and Doyle. In 2017, he started his career in films with his first major role being in The Man with the Iron Heart, a World War II drama. Also that year, he appeared in the British film That Good Night as one of the lead roles in the black comedy film Suburbicon, directed by George Clooney, and appeared in the comedy drama Wonder as Jack Will, friend to Aggie Pullman. In 2018, he starred in the science fiction film The Titan and in the horror film A Quiet Place. John Krasinski, who co-wrote and directed A Quiet Place, cast Jupe on Clooney's recommendation. In 2019, Jupe starred in Honey Boy opposite to Shia LaBeouf. The independent film is based on LaBeouf's coming of age in the entertainment industry, with Job playing the young version of the character based on LaBeouf and Lucas Hedge playing the older version of the same character. That same year, Job also starred in the film Ford v Ferrari. Job will next year in the short film adaptation of Stephen King's My Pretty Pony. He will also reprise his role as Marcus Abbott A Quiet Place Part 2 in 2021. He was featured in British Vogue's March 2021 issue. In 2018, he was nominated for London Film Critics Circle for Young British Performer of the Year, The Man with the Iron Heart, Suburbicon, and for Wonder. In 2018, Los Angeles Online Film Critics Society for Best Performance by an Actor, 23rd and Under A Quiet Place. In 2018, Young Artist Award for Best Performance in a Feature Film, Leading Teen Actor for Suburbicon. In 2019, Critics' Choice Movie Awards for Best Young Actor for Honey Boy. In 2019, Hollywood Critics Association Awards for Best Performance by an Actor, 23rd and Under for Honey Boy, and he won that award. In 2019, Gotham Independent Film Awards for Breakthrough Actor for Honey Boy. In 2019, London Film Critics Circle for Young British Performer of the Year for Holmes and Watson, A Quiet Place, That Good Night, The Titan. In 2020, London Film Critics Circle for Young British Performer of the Year for Ford and Ferrari, Honey Boy. In 2020, Independent Spirit Award for Best Supporting Male and for Honey Boy. If you like my video, then hit the like button and share to your friends. If you want to see more videos like that, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching.